In a quiet village nestled between lush green valleys, there lived a widow named Mira and her young son, Arjun. Life had not been kind to Mira. Her husband had passed away when Arjun was only a toddler, leaving her to face the world alone. Despite her struggles, Mira poured all her love into her son, working tirelessly as a seamstress to provide for him. Arjun was a curious and bright boy who dreamed of becoming a scholar. Every evening, after finishing her work, Mira would light a small oil lamp and teach him everything she knew: letters, numbers, and stories of courage and kindness. She often stayed up late, stitching clothes by the dim light, just to save enough money for his education. Years passed, and Arjun's talents began to shine. He was offered a scholarship to study in the city. It was an opportunity Mira couldn't let him miss, even though it meant parting with the son who was her whole world. With trembling hands, she packed his belongings, hiding her tears behind a brave smile. "Remember, Arjun," she said as he prepared to leave, "life may not always be kind, but love and kindness can mend even the deepest wounds, just like a thread mends torn fabric." Arjun nodded, promising to make her proud. The city was dazzling, full of opportunities and challenges. Arjun excelled in his studies, but the distance from his mother made his heart ache. He wrote letters to Mira, sharing his triumphs and struggles, and she replied with words of encouragement, often slipping a few rupees into the envelope, even though she had little to spare. One day, years later, Arjun graduated at the top of his class. His professors praised him, and he was offered a prestigious job in a big company. Overjoyed, he returned to his village to share the news with Mira. As he approached their small home, he saw Mira sitting by the window, her hands busy stitching a quilt. Her hair was streaked with silver, and her hands bore the marks of years of hard work, but her eyes lit up with pride when she saw him. Arjun fell to his knees before her. "Mother," he said, his voice choked with emotion, "I owe everything to you. Your love, sacrifices, and wisdom have shaped my life. Now it's my turn to take care of you." Mira smiled and placed her hand on his head. "You've always been my joy, Arjun. Seeing you succeed is all the care I'll ever need. But remember, love is a thread that binds us, no matter where life takes you. Hold on to it, and you'll always find your way home." From that day forward, Arjun ensured that Mira's days were filled with comfort and happiness. Yet, no matter how much he achieved, he never forgot the woman who had sewn her love into every stitch, teaching him that a mother's love is the strongest thread of all, unbreakable, enduring, and eternal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Mrs. Whisperer